This better do some crazy ass shit. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my Glossybox unboxing for September. We're in September, right? Yes. Okay. Very confused. This makeup I have on, you might be thinking, wow, you're wearing such minimal makeup, girl. I'm just kidding. I'm actually in the process of doing a Halloween look. So yeah, I'm getting started early. It is currently September 7th when I'm filming this. And yeah, this is my second Halloween look that I'm doing of the year. Gotta get a head start because I'm gonna get it done. Anyway, if you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a beauty subscription box. So this is $21 a month and you get a variety of items in here. I think it's up to five usually items, and it's well over the value of what you're paying for it, obviously. So usually it's like around $100 value, maybe more, maybe a little less. I forget the exact number. I actually do have a discount code with them, and if you use it, I do make a little bit of a commission, but I will leave it up on the screen. And if you use it, you can get the first box for $16. I think that's just such a steal. I love Glossybox because I've actually discovered some amazing brands through this box because they're not super heard of brands, which I actually love because, again, like, you just get to try a bunch of new things that you like wouldn't normally buy yourself. Subscription boxes also make the best gifts. So if you have anyone in your life that their birthday's coming up, Christmas, things like that, you want to just gift them a subscription box for a few months, that's definitely a great idea. Now, if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe, and let's get into the September unboxing. So every Glossybox comes in a really sturdy box like this. I actually have kept some of them to store some stuff in there. Time to glow, I think, is the theme. I'm not even really sure. Oh, they're also advertising the advent calendar, which is tons of fun. So you always get a little slip of paper in here that kind of tells you what you get in your box. So if you don't want to know, don't open it up, but I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. Usually it's a lot of skincare, some makeup, sometimes it's even like a little lifestyle situation, which I love. So you just get a variety of items in here. It does tell you the retail value in this little pamphlet, so I will be adding it up at the end to let you know what the total retail value of the box is, and it's gonna be way over $21. You'll see. The first thing I see here is from the brand Alpha. This is the liquid gold firming eye cream. This is what it looks like. Wow, I feel like, there you go. I was like, this is super washed out. This is what on earth? This better do some crazy ass shit. This is $82. And this is a full-size product. This is tiny. I don't think this is a full-size product. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think this might be a deluxe size, because that's crazy. But the full size is $82. This lightweight eye cream contains a native Australian lime pearl AHAs to gently exfoliate and smooth the eye area for a tighter and more youthful look. Plus, the illuminating diamond particles create an instant soft focus effect while diminishing the appearance of wrinkles. I will definitely be trying this out after pregnancy because I can't use AHAs right now. This is really exciting though. Next, we have from Cab Cosmetics the Illuminating Dust in Golden Hour. This is a full-size product as well, and it retails for $26. So this is a shimmering highlighter to keep that golden hour glow all night long. It's a beautiful velvety soft formula, and it's designed to illuminate your most gorgeous features. Its rich golden color will flatter dark skin tones, while lighter skin tones may choose to mix with a bronzer or use as eyeshadow. Yeah, so this seems like it's going to be really dark on me. So I actually might gift this to my sister-in-law, who is a bit of a deeper complexion, because I don't think I'm going to get much use out of this. So I was gonna swatch it, but I don't want to do that. But this is really nice packaging. The color is nice. If you have a deep skin tone, this will definitely work for you. Next, we have from Vita Liberata. I actually love this tanning brand. This is the Tinted Tanning Mist. This is a deluxe mini, and it retails for $16.50, and the full size, which is 200 milliliters, retails for $26. We love a quick drying tinted formula of this tanning mist. It makes it super easy to see where you've applied and control color. Apply to clean exfoliated skin and layer up to your desired intensity. Plus, it's enriched with aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Love a good tanning product. I usually don't tan when I'm doing Halloween looks, so I'll wait till like November to use this. It seems like it'll be nice. I don't want to spray this because then I'm gonna get it everywhere, and yeah, I'm not ready to tan right now. So yeah, I'm sure it's great. I actually love the brand for tanning stuff, so that's exciting. Next we have the Natura Muru Restoring Hair Mask. Ooh, I need a good hair mask. This is also a deluxe mini and it retails for $5.10, where the full size is 200 grams and it retails for $34. This says prevent breakage and improve shine with this nourishing hair mask. The Muru plant is celebrated for its amazing hair benefits, helping to repair damaged strands and recovering hair's natural elasticity while reducing frizz and leaving hair soft and glossy. Cool. I love a good hair mask. I'm excited. I wonder what you smell like. What do you smell like? Do you smell like... I have to open the tab. I'll update you guys on all these products, or what the products I end up using in a future video for sure. And the last item we have is from Koeshi. This is the Vanilla Shower Gel. This is a full-size product for $6.50. Sometimes the smallest change can lift our mood, and we absolutely adore a beautiful fragrance, whether it's perfume, hair products, or body care. The rich, warming scent of vanilla coupled with chamomile extract in this shower gel is deliciously calming, but please don't taste it. This actually spilled a little bit, I think. Oh, that smells so good. It's like very, very small hints of chamomile. It's a pretty strong scent of vanilla, but I do like that. I love a good vanilla, and I love a good body wash, shower gel, whatever. The total retail value for this box was $126, and I think that's amazing. Again, literally $100 and something over what you're paying for it. And it's, again, tons of brands that you may not have never heard of, products that you wouldn't normally buy yourself. It's just a fun little treat every single month. That's why I highly recommend Glossybox. I'm just so excited about this box. I think it was a great box. Let me know if you subscribe to Glossybox. I would love to know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to use my discount code to get your first month for $16 instead of $21, which is an amazing deal because you get tons of products. Also, their advent calendar is coming out in September. I should be getting it. I don't know, but I will definitely unbox it if I do get it as soon as I can. And yeah, I'm excited for this box. I want to try that shower gel so badly. I probably will try it tonight, actually. So yeah, let me know what product you're most excited about. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Fab Cosmetics, the Illuminating Dust. And... what? Most definitely have to go finish this Halloween look because I'm ready to take this makeup off. I'm not gonna lie.